What's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Kia Sportage 2012 model. This car have a problem. Here you can see start car. See, meter not working, light blinking, sound came here. So if your car have same problem, if you are in Oman, you can contact with me. You can repair by me. Okay. So here you can see the fault. I have the solution. Where is the problem? I can repair body control and then it will work perfectly. Okay, here you can see all light are blinking and headlight also. See, okay, remove this fuse box. Remove fuse box. Now repair it and I'll show you. Fuse box cover, and here is the module. This is the relay which came sound inside. Okay, this one. So now I repair it and then it will work perfectly. Okay, already replaced this relay. So and there are some other issue that need to be replaced that I didn't show in this video. So if you want to know, comment in this video and then contact with me. Okay, thank you. Fix this cover. Fix it, finish, and now start car. Before, light blinking, meter not working. Now you can see ignition on, everything is perfect. See, great success. See, there is no blinking, everything is perfect. So if my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Or if your car have same problem, you can contact with me. Okay, in this video I'll give my number. Here you can see now perfect, there is no issue. Thank you.